disorder. Thank you.
Hello, respected teachers and my dear friends.
Morning everyone, I am Mariam Khan studying in class 4th P. Today I will talk about my doll. Her name is Fleena. She looks beautiful with golden hair and blue shiny eyes. I love to dress her up daily. Me and my sister and I made a doll house for her. I love to chat with my doll. I put her to bed by singing Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Latishma. Now I'm going to tell about my ice cream. I like ice cream. There are different types of ice cream like strawberry ice cream, vanilla ice cream, butterscotch ice cream, and chocolate ice cream. I like every cone ice cream. There are different types of cup ice cream, cone ice cream, etc. We keep in ice cream in cold places because it melts in hot places easily. I'm having a cone ice cream here. It's a chocolate flavored ice cream. I like every types of ice cream. My favorite ice creams are chocolate ice cream and vanilla ice cream. We keep in cold places so that it does not melt in summer season easily. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Ahmedra from 4th C. This is subject enrichment activity. Today my object is my book. Books have various shapes, size and colors. Books are many types. Story books, subject book, address book, phone book, calendar book. Book have chapter and pages. Book makes us smart, creative. Books improve vocabulary and various skills. Books are our best friend. A room without book is like a body without a soul. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teacher and all my dear friends. Today I am going to tell about my teddy bear. This is my teddy bear. My father gifted to me on my birthday. It's so huge and pink in color. I really like my teddy bear a lot. It's so joyful and give me happiness whenever I play with my teddy bear. I love my teddy bear because it's so cute and soft. I keep my teddy bear in a baby cupboard. I can say that my teddy bear is my best friend forever. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi everyone, I am Maliha Shajid and I am going to speak a few sentences about this book. This is a book called The Princess and the Frog. It was the first book I read. I received this book when I was in UKG. This book introduced me into a world of books. After reading this book, I felt like reading more and more books. Now I have read a lot of books and I still love reading. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. Today I would like to speak about my calendar. This is my calendar. It is my favorite craft during lockdown period. It is very useful for me. It always reminds me the month, day and date. Every morning I will change the date on it. I can place it on my study table very easily. It is very handy and can be used for many years. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, madam and my dear friends. Today I am going to tell about whale shark. Whale shark is the largest species on Earth. And sharks, it is not a whale, it is a shark. The whale shark can be blue, grey,
We made Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I am Fatima Fahma from 4th P. Today my topic is about my toy. This is my playing doll. It has many pairs of dress. It has one kitchen set and one dining table. I use it to change its dress every day and I use it to play with it every day. It has many colors of dress. I gave a bath to my doll using soap and water. Also, I take my doll to sea and play with sea water. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Veena Mirza. I am studying in 4th B. So today I am going to show you House of 7. 7 is a wonderful table. Let's start. We'll start from the roof. 7 ones are 7. Now from the down. 7 twos are 40. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. 7 elevens are 77. 7 twelves are 84. The end. Thank you so much for watching the 7 table. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello teachers, hello friends. My name is Farha Fatima. I am in 4th P. Now I am showing you my English model opposite book. It is used to learn opposite. It is made up of paper, color paper, sketch pen, some pictures, etc. Now I will show you my opposite book. Happy, unhappy, happy, unhappy. Up, down, up, down. Near, far, near, far, near. Above, below, above, below. Front, back, front, back. Short, long, short, long. Close, open, close, open. Hope you enjoying. Bye.
Hello friends, my name is Nehal Kadam. I am from 4th B. Today I am going to tell you about the Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Mickey and Minnie Mouse are the best friends in the world. Mickey and Minnie Mouse is the famous cartoon for kids. Mickey and Minnie Mouse was invited in 1928. Mickey and Minnie Mouse are known as Princess Minnie and Master Mickey Mouse. Mickey and Minnie Mouse look like a mouse but walks like a human. Mickey and Minnie Mouse are helpful to their friends. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, my name is Fatima Shua. I am standing in 4th C. Today I am going to say my doll, Elsa doll. I like a Elsa doll. Every day my free time I am seeing her cartoons and I like a Elsa doll. And she is very cute. I like her hairstyle and I like a Frozen. I like a blue color. That's why I like a Elsa. I can see her Anna also, her sister also I can see. That's why I like a Elsa. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Aliza Adil from 4th P. Today I am going to show and tell you about my favorite toy. I have many toys. Some are given from my friends. The other are given by my parents. I play with all the toys. I like all the toys, but my favorite toy is this teddy bear. I got this teddy bear when I was in LKG. I made Father's Day card and give to my father. Then my father gave me this teddy. It is little bit old, but I will not give this teddy bear to anyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Albika. I am studying in 4th P. Today's my topic is Self-Reliant India. Self-Reliant India program was started in 1942 by our great leader Gandhiji. It was a noble cause identified well in advance, but we Indians never recognized it. The corona pandemic forced us to realize the importance of self-reliant India as crores of people lost their jobs. Self-reliant India will be started from every citizen of India. We all should start consuming products that are made in India, which will give many job opportunities in India and will thus make India self-reliant once again. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Liana Mahjabin. I am studying in 4th P. Today I am going to explain about planets in our solar system. This is a picture of a solar system. We have 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These planets are primary planets. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is very hot. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is just like our Earth. Earth is the planet which have life. Mars is called the red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Saturn has a ring. That ring is made of ice. Uranus and Neptune. These 2 planets are gas planets. Thank you and have a nice day.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning. Today I am going to share a few things about a bag. A bag is a simple thing, but it is very useful in our life. We use bags in different occasions, like we use bags to school, we use it for trips, etc. Our mothers always use a vanity bag while they are going out. I have different types of bags and I love using bags. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Anchal and I study in class 4th F. Before starting, let me brief you about the famous Barbie doll. Barbie is the figurehead of a brand of Mattel dolls and accessories, including other family members and collectible dolls. Also, she got her name from the maker's daughter Barbara. I would like to introduce you to my favorite Barbie doll. This doll was gifted to me by my grandfather and it is very much close to my heart. She is very beautiful with long golden hair, blue eyes and cute smile. I have a makeup set, dresses and different accessories to play with her. I enjoy dressing up her. I have many other dolls also. I love to do pretend plays by putting up different setups like classrooms, kitchen, salon, etc. with all of them. Thank you.